Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 traveler's notebook layout that I titled School is Cool, and I'm using the digital version of the collection I Love School from Echo Park. So I have designed this page in Silhouette as I usually do, and then that Silhouette, that is Silhouette Studio. If you have a different cutting machine, I'm sure that would work just as fine, but this is what I have. And I am using this paper strip, so basically I prepare everything, then get it ready for printing, and then I can put everything together on the actual page. Here I decided I wanted this rectangular paper strip to go a little further up the page because there's more things that need to go down at the bottom there, and so all these things are just printed and cut, and then there are a few more element pieces that are die cut and stamped, or just die cut and watercolored, or in some way colored. So here I'm adding the picture to this page, and then there's this, I think it comes from a journaling card, or it might have been one of the embellishments that came with this collection, but so I added that to that page there. And then I'm adding this little strip, and I created this what is supposed to look like a pencil, and I think it does look like a pencil, and I added that to on top of the strip there, above the strip, and then I can add the little tag that is my little element cluster there, and I created this little flower pot using stamps and dies, and then with markers just colored them. So that is that part, and of course I do have my word strips there. This is another piece that I die cut and colored with markers, and now I can add my word strips. These word strips will be available as freebie at some point. I do have a lot of word strips already that I share on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. At the time that this video goes live, I'm sure these are not yet available because I'm sharing a lot of things on my blog. So just check it out anyway, and keep coming back. At some point I will be sharing these words as well. So anyway, I do like to add them as embellishments to my pages because I think they always add a little something extra there. And I'm trying to create something of a visual triangle, but I'm thinking it's more kind of like a diagonal or something, but it doesn't really matter. Just trying to add a little more interest to my page there. When I created these word strips, I did make sure that the colors matched the collection that I'm using, but they could also just be black and white or anything else. So anyway, this is pretty much my page done though, and I am going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.